Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency, and also coming with running boards down below. But let's take a look inside. Before I forget, I should show off the new features, being the 2 kilowatt Pro Power Onboard in the pickup box here, so you can use your truck as a sort of generator, power your tools and whatnot. And looking in the back seat, we have spacious seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then in the middle you have 2 cup holders with a 12 volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, and a 120 volt power outlet. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip and fuel. You have your fuel economy, trip 1 and 2 information, eco coach, auto start stop status, and you're now playing. Then you have your truck info with your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine information, and seat belts. Then you have your towing info, navigation, phone controls, audio controls, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. And My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, your favorite screen for your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, Pro Power Onboard, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your truck, and you have dynamic hitch view, so you can have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. And moving down, you have your media controls and your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and your drive mode selector for, it's going to yell at us, but you have normal, tow haul, eco, and sport mode. Then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12 volt and 120 volt power outlet, as well as this compartment up here for extra storage. And moving down to here, you have a USB and USB-C, and onto your center console area, where you have your main shifter with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. It can also be collapsed out of the way for more room here. Then you have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. A ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C. And then last but not least, you do have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.